Aloha romantic friends, welcome to another new soap making video, and today we celebrate National Bird Day. If you have not already done so, go ahead and please hit the like and subscribe button so you'll never miss a video. Don't forget to tap that bell. So in today's video, we are going to be making cold process soap, and today's soap I am going to call it Pink Flamingo. Now Pink Flamingo will be making cupcake soaps, and so this is today's soap in baths that I'll be using in the soap cupcakes. So I have my pink flamingos, my lemon slices, and maybe a few straws for decoration. So let's get started. In this bucket, as always, we have our oils and our goodies in the bucket. We're going to mix everything up to make soap. Now as I blend the soap, I'm going to put my artwork or illustration of a drawing of how I'm hoping my soap will turn out. As you can see, this is my version of how the Pink Flamingo soap cupcake will look. Now, next what I'm going to do is put a basic soap recipe on my screen, and as you can see, these are the basic ingredients that you can use that will help you along your soap journey. Now everyone's soap recipe when they first start out is a bit different, so each soap maker has their own way of how they like to make soap. Now, if you're a beginner, don't get frustrated if your first soap batches don't turn out the way you want it. You gotta keep practicing, because practice makes perfection, and you'll eventually find your own way. Now, I'm just going to separate my soap or my soap oils into the appropriate containers, and I'm going to blend all the colors up so we can get ready to pour the soap in the soap mold. Now the main colors I'm going to be using for today's soap is pink, orange, and yellow. So I'm going to slowly blend everything up, and we're going to get to pouring. Now as you are watching me make the soap, I have some very good news. Now what I've decided to do something a bit different. Now I've been thinking of a different way to make my videos a little bit more entertaining. So I thought what I would like to do, this is an idea. So if you stick around following this video, I'll create another video of what my grand idea will be. Now I've pasted a link in the description box below to my next video. And so as I was thinking, this new idea sorta inspired me. So what I've done is a secret. Shh, this is a secret. So if you want to find out what my game plan is, click the next video link, and if you're curious, you'll see what I've been up to. Now, let's go ahead. Let me stop all the talking because I love to talk. And so I didn't want to spoil the idea. But if you're one of those curious people like me, you want to find out what my new inspiration idea is. Now here I'm just going to go ahead and pour my soap oils into these nice little mold. Now I got this mold from probably Michael's perhaps. I can't remember where I picked it up from. I thought it was different, very unique in design. So I'm just going to use this mold in attempt to make these soap cupcakes. I'm going to have two versions of the soap cupcake. And as you can see, I'm having a little difficulty with this mold because my soap is turning into pancake batter. So it shouldn't be this thick. So what's happening is it's setting up pretty fast on me. And so it's coming out a little bit thicker when it needs to be more runny like Kool-Aid. So I have some extra mix left over, soap mix. So what I've done is actually and pour the rest in my cupcake mold. And so I've added some frosting on top, and I'm not very good with soap frosting. Some people can, they're so perfect, but I still feel like I struggle no matter how much I make soap. My soap frosting doesn't really come out the way I want to. So as I was saying earlier, keep practicing and it will get perfect the more you do it. Oh, almost forgot. So also in the description, you're going to see a description of the fragrance that I'm using, like the combination and notes that make up the fragrance. So I can't remember what fragrance I use because this video I made it some time ago and I'm just now doing the video recording. So I wanted you guys to see how my new pink flamingo cupcakes turned out. And I'm going to go ahead and add the soap embeds that I showed you guys earlier on top of the soap cupcakes to decorate them. And as I finish up, stay tuned for the next day of the reveal of the pink flamingo cupcakes. So now we have reached the end of our presentation, and I have some romantic questions for you today. Here is your romantic question for today. Number 1, would you rather go bird watching in a park? Or number 2, would you rather have a picnic at the beach? Which one of these are your favorite romantic things to do? In the upper right hand corner, you're going to see a circle with the letter I. Go ahead and cast your vote and let me know which question you prefer. Also, you can leave a comment in the video description below. I answer all of my comments and I look forward to hearing your thoughts. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to take time out to pamper yourself. Bye now.